Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and happy new year. It is Monday the 1st of January and I am kicking off the new year with a H&M haul. I ordered some items online and the original goal was for this to be kind of like a New Year's Eve lookbook sort of thing. But then when I looked at some of these items I kind of thought these would work really well if you have like a nice function that you want like just a really nice outfit to. So if you like the sound of that and you want to see what items I picked up, 1, keep watching, 2, don't forget to subscribe, and 3, come follow me on Instagram. It's at SWSblog, as you'll be able to get full-length pictures of these outfits. So the first item is the top that I'm rocking, and it is just this gorgeous off-the-shoulder crossover detail blouse. It has, you probably won't be able to see them, but you will in the cutaway. It has these really subtle petal details on the top, which are they're kind of textured a little bit. It's got frills as well, which I love. I love kind of showing off this part of my body just because I find it very feminine and very sexy in a very classy way. And I do love the crossover here because the neck is still quite exposed, but there's a bit of detail here just to jazz this area up a bit. And it's got frills sort of on the, I guess you'd call it the hem at the bottom as well. So love this top. I will have linked it in the description box below. So if you're interested in picking it up, do go along to the H&M website. So in terms of styling, I rocked this with these gorgeous burnt orange trousers. Now they're very much culotte style, so very sort of wide leg, though they're quite long actually, so maybe not culotte style. And they've got this really lovely pleating at the top, which just cinches in the waist really nicely. I actually rocked them with this top. I think that these would probably work better with like a black camisole or maybe like a cream camisole. Just because I think with trousers like these, which are very statement, you need a lot more simplicity up top. They don't come with pockets, which is a shame. I feel like that was a missed opportunity there, but nevertheless, they're very nice. I got them in a size 10, which is a Europe size 36, and the top I got in a size 8. But these are very make a bold statement, and I love them for that. The next item is from the Nicki Minaj and H&M collection. And I thought, I've never sort of seen anything she's done fashion-wise, so let me give it a try. So I picked up this red mini dress. It's very bodycon, and I got it in a size 10. I actually wish I sized down a little bit because I think it would have been a bit more form-fitting. I love the labels that she's created. They've kind of got, I guess it's kind of like Chinese writing on it. So I got this in a medium, probably a small might have worked still. It's just long sleeve, sort of cowl neck at the top, very gorgeous red. It's not properly coming off on camera, but it's like a true red, and she's got that same writing on the back of the neck, which I've just noticed. It's a really simple dress, there's not much to it. Fabric is kind of quite thick, so it's good quality fabric. And yeah, not much to say about it. I think it's just a very structured dress, very party wear. You could wear this, I'd say clubbing, definitely. But this one would have been good for the Christmas period as well, if you were looking for something then, which is obviously too late. But if you want to see a full length of this, obviously look out for the cutaways and do check this out on my Instagram. The next item are these absolutely stunning cream trousers. They've got kind of like a linen look. It's very sort of creased effect fabric, but they are very smart. Very tailored, very form-fitting. They've got a nice pleat down the middle, which I love because it always gives that added element of class. And they are high-waisted and very long. These would be perfect for a summer wedding if you have one and you don't want to sort of do the usual dress thing. And I picked these up in a size 10. And I will have linked them down below, but in case you want to see them styled up with the next item, do head to my Instagram or check them out in the cutaways, because you'll see I styled them with this gorgeous wrap over top, or crossover, yeah, wrap around top, wrap over top. Anyway, you'll see it in the cutaway, but it's just got this lovely print which has got like butterflies and flowers on it. and it's everything I love. Frills, sort of plunge neckline, and you know, very, very feminine sleeves. So it crosses over in the front so that you can really cinch it in as much as you want or as little as you want. And the material is really soft as well. So yeah, I picked that up in a size 8, and I will have paired it with those cream trousers that you've just seen, and together they make a fantastic combo. I felt very grown up in this outfit, I must say. Next up, we've got something for the party season, but very, very versatile. So I got this very sultry black off-the-shoulder jumpsuit. So it has a lovely sweetheart neckline, and it is culotte style, so wide leg and cropped, kind of cropped at the bottom. So this is like one of those outfits where you're not trying to make too much of a statement, but because it's so form-fitting, in fact I think it's got this like really nice elastic material here, so it will mold to your shape. It doesn't shout too loud, but at the same time, because of how it fits and because of how tailored and structured it is, it's really smart, and you will be noticed in the right way, in a very subtle way. It's very sexy, but also very like boss-like. You know, if you want to be like girl boss, I would rock this with some nude pumps, maybe a statement clutch, and some big earrings, and big hair defo. Love, love, love this. Picked it up in a size 10, and it is the perfect fit, especially around the bust area, which sometimes is actually quite hard to come by. And I think it's because they've got this sort of boning inside the just inside the sort of chest area. So really, really, really well made jumpsuit. Jumpsuit? Yeah, jumpsuit. Really well made jumpsuit, and an absolute winner. So with that jumpsuit, I decided to go a bit rogue, because if you wanted something that shouts a little bit more, you don't just want to wear a black jumpsuit, or it's cold and you want something to take you through later into the night, then I found this. Now I know what you're thinking, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. If you've seen the movie, you would know. I might pop a picture there or something. It's not for everybody, but you know what? I think bold prints is just how to just step into 2018 making a statement. So this is sort of vertical stripe, black and cream blazer. I love H&M blazers because the cut tends to work really well for my body type. I picked this up in a size 8, and it's just, you know, very statement. I would wear this with a very plain outfit, probably a black one or a cream one, just to pick up on the colours that they've used in here. Not try and do too much, roll up the sleeves as I normally do, and that's how I'd style it up, just with that black jumpsuit, and that's how you'll see it on my Instagram, sort of full length. So love this. Very much out of my comfort zone, but there's no such thing as a comfort zone in 2018. And last but not least are some accessories, because I realise that some of these outfits are very plain, just very safe, and you might not know how to jazz them up. So I thought I'd pick up some earrings just to kind of show you guys what you can do. I picked up these pink ones. Also picked up these green ones, and these green ones will go really nicely, I feel like, with that all black outfit. And then these black ones, which I thought would go really nicely with either the red Nicki Minaj dress or the Beetlejuice jacket and the black jumpsuit. So yeah, so that is it. That is everything from this New Year H&M haul. I don't know what you want to call it, but I take occasional wear slash smart casual wear. So for weddings, for birthdays, for christenings, anything where you just have to be a little bit more conservative but you want to be fashionable at the same time, I think all of these items work. As I mentioned, everything is linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe for plenty more H&M and hauls from other stores. And do come follow me on Instagram and like some of my most recent posts, as I'll have popped all of these outfits over there already. So thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!